Experiencing issues with your SafeLink phone not receiving calls? There are three primary culprits: call forwarding, do not disturb settings, and port in status. Call forwarding automatically redirects calls, and on SafeLink, it can malfunction due to network congestion or accidental activation via USSD codes like 72. To fix it, dial 73 to cancel forwarding. DND silences notifications, including calls, based on schedules or exceptions. It can activate during low battery or airplane mode, so always check your phone's DND settings and whitelist important contacts. Finally, port in status refers to transferring your number to SafeLink, which can take 3 to 5 days. During this time, calls might fail if your old carrier hasn't fully released the number. Understanding these fundamentals is the first step to resolving call reception problems on your SafeLink phone. Now let's troubleshoot. First, ensure call forwarding is disabled by dialing 73. Next, thoroughly check your phone's DND settings. On Android, look in the Clock app for scheduled DND activations. On iPhones, check the focus settings. Make sure no contacts are accidentally blocked or silenced. For port-in issues, track the status via the SafeLink app or Verizon's My Account app if Verizon is your carrier. Since SafeLink is a prepaid service, it's essential to verify network signal and restart your device. If problems persist, contact TracFone support at 1-800-723-0910 or use the self-diagnose feature in the SafeLink app. Many issues can now be resolved via the mobile portal. Also keep in mind, firmware updates are regularly released to address forwarding bugs, so keep the phone updated.